Hi everyone. In this video I am going to share with you basic information of number system. A number system has base or radix. Short form is called R. Any number system, the numbers are 0 to R minus 1 and the base is R. That means whenever we will take any number system, so it starts from 0 to R minus 1, radix minus 1 and the radix is R. For example, unary number system. Unary means 1. So that is why base is 1 and r minus 1, that means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So that is why number should be only 0 because the base is 1. Binary number system. Bi means 2. So the base is 2 and number should be take 0 to r minus 1. R value is 2. So 2 minus 1, it is 1. So 0 to 1. Octal number system. Octal base is 8. So number should be 0 to 7 only. Decimal number system. Decimal word come from the Latin word deca. Deca means 10. That is why the base is 10. So number should be 0 to 9. Next number system, it is the hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6. Decimal means 10. So 6 plus 10 equal to 16. So the hexadecimal number system base is 16 and numbers should be 0 to 9 and A to F. Why we are taking A to F? Now hexadecimal number system base is 16. So number should be 0 to 15. 0 to 15, but in the number system it is 0 to 9 only. How we will write 10? If we will write 10, so it will computer understand 1 and 0 also. How computer understand it is 10? So that is why it is assigned by the character. So 10, whenever we write in the hexadecimal number system, it is assigned by the A character, A alphabet. 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E and 15 for F. So that is why we take A to F in the hexadecimal number system whenever we will represent 10 to 15 number. Now any number system, that means n number. So that time it will take 0 to r minus 1, that means radix minus 1, that means base minus 1 and base is b, otherwise r. Thank you very much for watching this video.